Hello guys and good morning from Shanghai, China, specifically in Wuxi area. So right now we are here at Wanda Hotel as stated last night, and then ito ang view niya. So it's kind of cute because mayroon siya mini river tapos may village dito sa south part. Tapos dun sa east side may mini mall, then tapat namin is yung famous milk teahan dito sa Shanghai, which is sa Chage. And then, may convenience store pa. So, there's a lot of stuff around this hotel. Ang problema lang talaga, isang gabi lang tayo dito. But yeah, just a quick recap. We visited the famous Mini Kyoto last night, no? Inabot tayo ng gabi doon. Until almost 10 p.m. na ata. And we also visited the River City. By the way, Mini Kyoto, known for, sa mga local nila dito, they called it Zhu Jiao Jiao, no? Asian town. So, yeah. Ang ganda rin ng pagoda nila. Yung show, very kind of relaxing, very nostalgic for me. And the drone, no? When you see those drones na nagpo-form, na program na, ganda. So, yeah, don't forget to visit this one. I think 60% ng mga Pinoy na di-discover na tong area ng Wuxi. But if you're going to China and you are afraid of your safety as a whole, then, if you're first time, I recommend na mag-travel agency na lang kayo para group visa, no? May sarili kayong bus, may sarili kayong tour guide na ma-manage yung time nyo. So, yeah. Anyway, pababa na tayo, magbe-breakfast tayo. And I hope maganda yung pupunta natin. Ang pagkakaalam ko, pupunta tayo sa factory ng Pearl. And then, also, we're going to visit 2 more ata dito sa Wuxi. Then, we will go back to Shanghai. Ang goal will be at least 1 p.m. after lunch, pabalik na tayo ng Shanghai because it's a 3-hour bus ride, no? It's kind of far, no? From Shanghai. But yeah, weather forecast, it's still raining. But again, hoping pa rin ako na medyo maganda na yung weather mamaya-maya. Because yesterday, hanggang 2 p.m. medyo hindi talaga. Ang grabe talaga yung ulan. But luckily, we buy some payong, but unfortunately, hindi kinakaya because 4 kami. So, hindi kami kasya sa praying pa rin na sana for our last 3 days dito sa Shanghai, ma-experience namin yung magandang weather. Kahit hindi na sunny, hindi na rainy. Makulimlim lang, pero walang ulan. So, yeah. Sige, baba na tayo because ang call time natin would be 8 a.m. Tapos kukuha pa tayo ng itsura ng lobby at saka ng hallway nitong Wanda Hotel. Very good to guys. Imagine nyo, for a price of 2,900, makukuha mo tong ganitong kalaking room. But yeah, panoorin nyo na lang yung hotel review ko sa TikTok. So don't forget to follow me on TikTok. That is Said Travel Vlog. So katulad din ng username ko dito sa ating YouTube account. So let's go na. At baka magalit na naman yung tour guide. Okay? Bye-bye. Let's do a room tour here sa Wanda Hotel located at Wuxi, Shanghai, China. So this is the Wuxi area. No? So I'll be uploading kung ano makikita rito. But again guys, when you're looking at this hotel, very underrated. So when you go inside, turn right, you will see a very large area where you can hang your clothes. And you go here, a very big mirror, which makikita yung full body nyo. And also you have 2 bottles of water. Sa akin to, nainuman ko na to. And then you also have kettle and then basic amenities. And you have this very spacious sink wherein you can do your stuff, your a proper hygiene, your skincare, whatsoever. Then you have amenities for your toiletries. You have 2 face towels. You have basically lower and then hand towel. When you go here, so separate yung toilet bowl and then yung shower area. So very spacious shower area. You'll see a lot of selection here. So you have shampoo, you have conditioner, you have body wash. So yeah. And then when you go here on the other side, on the right side, basically, so left side yung shower area, very spacious and very large toilet bowl. And then that's good, no? But again, this one, if you're taking a look at this hotel, mas malaki pa to sa Hyatt dun sa may City of Dreams. So, tingnan nyo naman to. 2-bed, very large. Hindi po to naka fish eye, hindi po to naka 0.5 caption. You're looking at the actual image of this hotel, no? Hotel room. So basically, it's a twin bed. But what good about this twin bed is that very large. So I suspect this one is a queen size bed. Tapos meron siyang leather, no, na foam here. So if you're reading books, if you're basically scrolling on your social media platform, you can do that at ease, tapos with comfort also. So, usually yung mga room na may sa Manila, frame lang talaga siya, pero walang ganito. I don't know sa ibang hotel. So, here you can do your stuff, the little table and one chair as well. Tapos, a very, very large TV at may Netflix na dyan. When you go here, you have painting, you have automatic curtain as well, and then sofa and another painting na walang. Anyway, I don't know. Kalikutin ko mamaya, but kanina, parang, ayan, tingnan nyo naman guys. Nagsasara siya on his own. Diba? I'm not doing anything. Here's my hand. Diba? Sarado siya ng sa kanya. Okay? So that's our room tour or hotel room tour here in Wanda Hotel, located at Wuxi area in Shanghai, China. See ya! So these are the pastries. Then here is the fresh vegetables. Then this will be your coffee area. You also have here yung mga cereals. And then water, juice, no? You also have this fruit section. Ito pala, yung vegetable area. O yung tinatawag nilang salad bar. You have here good selection of food. Tapos, medyo maliit lang siya, but this hindi ka empty stomach pagka nag-travel kayo. Then also here, you have the fried vegetable, fried rice, steamed vegetables. So, yung mga steamed food, no? This one is parang kamote, kalabasa, but the other 5, don't know. This one is congee, no? Ayan. Iba't ibang congee.
And serve the fish resource sauces. But 1 year, only 12 months. 8 months, they get out fish. Wow. Yeah. So, what's your job? Yes, honey, what's the job?
First stop is the Taiho Park in Wuxi, China. Currently, we are riding this buggy ride. Sobrang laki ng place. Hindi siya kayang lakarin if you want to explore everything. For around 30 Chinese yuan per person, sobrang worth it itong ride na to kasi maiikot mo talaga around Taiho Lake. Expect chill views, fresh air, and ang ganda ng scenery. Perfect for slow travel vibe.
So we're riding a buggy ride. It's 40 yuan per person. Good kasi hindi mo kailangan literal na lalakarin. Kailangan mo talaga yung budget. Parang it's like ano siya, Salmon Lake tsaka or Wulay ng hindi mo kayang lakarin.
Now we are here at the monumental bridge inside the Taiho Park. And look at that view. Kita mo yung Wuxi district with all the skyscrapers. Sobrang ganda ng contrast from nature to city. Parang one side peaceful lake, and then the other side is the modern skyline. Honestly, ang sarap lang tumambay dito. Just take it all in. Alright, now we're heading to this part of Taiho Park na sinasabi nilang parang Sun Moon Lake in Taiwan. So medyo na-curious talaga kami. Habang papunta, mapapansin mo mas nagiging calm yung paligid, less buildings, more nature vibes. And then wait for it. Pagdating mo, boom, you'll see the lake view na sobrang similar, parang mini version talaga ng Sun Moon Lake.
Kaya po manina.
Napadaan kami dito sa South Part ng Taiho Park. And guys, may mini fair dito. For a moment, akala mo nasa pere ka sa Pinas.
Yung pinunta lang.
Like the place,
Yes!
the top honor award, you see? Top honor award.
Then after that, you'll spot these duck or swan boats na pwede mong i-rent. Perfect if you want a chill ride sa lake and ibang experience naman sa inside the park.
Okay, 1 million Chinese money, 1 million Chinese money to build this park. So the park is so famous. And then, we invited the design company, the company.
Now we're here inside the Shilufu Wharf to claim our Shanghai cruise. And guys, sobrang dami ng tao. Like hundreds to thousands. So tip ko sa inyo, agahan nyo pumunta and make sure na ready yung ticket or QR code nyo. Usually, fare range around 100 to 150 RMB or Chinese yuan depending sa cruise type. Expect long lines, but once you're inside, super worth it naman yung experience.
So papunta na tayo ng cruise. Boarding time is 7 p.m. So
And finally, we are boarding the cruise after the long wait. Ito na, super exciting. Make sure na ready yung ticket nyo and just follow the line. Mabilis lang naman yung boarding.
let's go upstairs. Here's Pudong, Shanghai. Super iconic ng skyline. Dati farmland lang to ha. Ngayon, puno na ng skyscrapers and business hub. From the cruise, sobrang ganda niya. Lalo na sa gabi kasi umiilaw na yung mga building.
加角度，自己加角度了啊！把这么好的，来，试一张了啊！喂，你们这么好的。
Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's vlog, we are going to Shanghai Evening Cruise where you can see the most stunning skyline in Asia.
No, good there.
Worth it yung 100 yuan, and I would say na one of the best, if not the best, cruise na nascan ko na nakikita mo yung skyline. So yeah, this is Shanghai, this is China.
哎，照相有照的吗？哎，我照相有照相。
Expect na medyo crowded talaga, especially kapag peak hours. Pero okay lang yan, may mga spots pa rin naman to stand and enjoy the view. Part na rin siya na experience, sabay-sabay kayo nag-aabang ng skyline.
Alam nyo guys, kung hindi nyo to isasama sa bucket list nyo when you are here sa Shanghai, for sure magsisisi kayo because, my God, I've been in Hong Kong, Guangzhou, Bangkok, but this one is definitely the most unforgettable one. Ang ganda talaga ng skyline ng Shanghai, both east at saka west side. This one is the Huangpu River, and grabe, ang ganda talaga. Worth it.
Now, this is the Puxi or east side ng Shanghai. Classic buildings and rich history. Sobrang ganda niya sa gabi. And that's wrap up our Shanghai cruise experience. Sobrang worth it from start to finish. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, and drop a comment below kung anong part ang pinaka nagustuhan nyo. Also, feel free to share this with your friends na planning mag-travel soon. I'm also on TikTok for quick travel tips, Facebook for update and full post, and Instagram for photos and behind the scene moments. Follow me there. So that's all for today guys, and see you on my next travel vlog.